What's up guys? Yes, I do have a new haircut. I did that to myself last night. I apologize if it's bad, but I don't really care because 90% of the time, I'm wearing a hat. Alright, so I just wanted to let you guys know that very soon I will be having a new setup video. That's just going to be the quick change one where I just change the board and the shoes. So keep an eye out for that one this week on my main channel. Alright, so I'm about to have a long night session on the new game called The Last of Us. If you have a PlayStation, do yourself a favor and pick up that game because it is amazing. But I just wanted to post this video tonight because a couple weeks ago at the skate park we put up my drone chopper just before it got dark. And we ended up getting a few funny clips of Josh getting chased by the drone. So check out these clips of Josh being scared. I can't wait to skate and I'll see you next time. Peace!